If you've watched a couple of my recent videos, the ones talking about knives, culture and the law, and how we got to where we are in the UK, you will know that they sparked a lot of discussion. Some of it thoughtful, some of it confused, and some of it pretty angry. And that's actually what this video is about, because the comments under those two videos turned into a real cross-section of how people inside and outside the UK see our knife laws, our culture, and sometimes, let's be honest, each other. So today I want to respond to both videos together, address some of the recurring themes from the comments, and add a bit of context that doesn't really work in a comment section. This isn't a riposte or a clapback, it's not a political rant, it's just a conversation. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry, carries you. One of the most common comments went something like this: I can't believe you'd get arrested for carrying that. That's insane, it's just a small knife. Where I live, nobody would even look twice. And I get it. If you're watching from the US, parts of Europe, Australia or elsewhere, I had comments from places as far away as India and Argentina, UK knife law can look completely baffling. A small, non-locking knife under 3 inches is legal here. A locking blade of the same size is illegal to carry without good reason. That feels illogical if you are used to different laws. And honestly, even many Brits find it illogical too. But here's the key thing: UK knife law didn't come from gear culture. It came from public order policy. Not whether a knife is useful, not whether it's well designed, but whether it could be used quickly and aggressively in public. Whether you agree with it or not, that is the framework it exists in. Another big category of comments was much more blunt. This is what happens when governments control people. The UK is finished. Brits just accept this stuff. Now, I want to be careful here. Criticism of government, fair. Debate about freedom and proportionality, important. But there's a difference between critiquing policy and flattening an entire country into a stereotype. Most people in the UK didn't wake up one day and say, yes, please, I'd love more restrictions. That said, recent history shows that people will sometimes accept or even call for restrictions in the name of safety. That's a much bigger conversation and not what this video is about. These laws came in gradually, over decades, usually after high-profile tragedies, intense media pressure, or moral panic. That doesn't mean everyone agrees with them. It means they were reactive and not thoughtful. And no, Brits aren't uniquely submissive. We argue about this stuff constantly. Not over tea and sandwiches in a dusty, stately home. Walk into almost any pub and you'll hear it. This one came up more than you might expect. Just carry what you want. They can't stop everyone. Here's the reality. If you live in the UK and you carry illegally, you're the one who pays the price, not the politician who wrote the law. That can mean arrest, a criminal record, losing your job. For a lot of people, especially those with families, careers and responsibilities, that is not a theoretical risk. So when I talk about UK legal EDC, it's not endorsement of the law, it's realism. Now, it wasn't all negativity. Some of the best comments were from people saying things like, I never knew that was the context. This explains why Brits think about knives differently. I still disagree, but I understand it better now. And honestly, that's the win. You don't have to agree with UK knife laws. As a daily Leatherman carrier, I certainly don't. You don't need to like them. Again, I don't. But understanding why they exist is very different from mocking the people who live under them. Just to be crystal clear, this channel isn't anti-knife. It's an EDC channel after all. It isn't anti-freedom. I come from a personal responsibility, let people get on with life point of view. What this channel is about is responsibility, context, and real world EDC. And sometimes that means uncomfortable conversations. If you commented thoughtfully, thank you. If you disagreed respectfully, thank you. And if you're still furious and think that the English are all idiots, also thank you. At least you watched. If you want to keep the discussion going, drop a comment down below, but let's just keep it about ideas and not insults. If you are new here, a subscribe would mean an awful lot. You can support the channel through my kit.co page down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And remember, what you carry carries you.